Welcome to another Bangkok street walk. This time really from Bangkok. So here is Detlef with an F. And you can see where we go in a very few seconds. At the moment we are here basically on the backside of the Bangkok Christian Hospital. And the Bangkok Christian Hospital is near Silom Road. So I give you a little bit of a show around today. What is it? Opposite you find something which is called Eka Grill. Maybe interesting. And you also have a very Thai-styled Burger King. It is Sunday morning, so not so much to see here. But it's basically here you have like the nightlife during the day. Here we have a nice Burger King. You have I think it's a Mariana shop. It's called Mary Jane. Don't forget, it is still legal in Thailand. However, there are things in force at the moment that they want to reverse this. I stroll with you a little bit through the bar nightlife, but the bar nightlife not during the night, but during the morning. So you get a bit of an impression how it is when it is not busy.
Oh, happy video.
Happy video, yes.
Also or not?
See?
I'm in the picture.
Now you're in the picture. That's all right.
I hope good looking.
You are good looking, don't worry.
Let me see. I can see.
No, I cannot reverse it now because it's...
Not now.
It's all right. So here are basically the gentleman bars. You can see like it's Dream Boy, French Kiss, no night owls out during the night. But some bars already seem to be open. So if you want to do something going around early morning, you have a chance. If you are drunk enough, you can get a tattoo or body piecing here. Here is King's Castle, King's Sports Bar, Wildcat Bar. I think when you're here in the night, you would get a totally different impression. But today, here you have also something very interesting. It's called, there is a ping pong banana show. And you can imagine yourself what a ping pong banana show in a bar which is called Wildcat Bar would be. So if you prefer such entertainment at night, this is a place to go. And you can imagine that it is very busy here. Here's the price for the beers. That is nice. You have a little, I don't know, seatling on the car, which looks a bit funny. So, and as you heard, we had an earthquake a few days ago, or 2 days ago basically. Was it yesterday? No, 2 days ago. Which was in Myanmar, but the high rises here in Bangkok did quite sway a bit, because Bangkok is not used to earthquakes, and the underground in Bangkok is basically a wobbly thing, so to say. Yeah, so just taking you around, blah blahing a bit. See, now we're back here at this Burger King. This is Surawong Road on one side, and it's basically the Silom Road on the other side. So it's between Surawong and Silom Road. I will walk a bit down here. Even this tuk-tuk tries to get my attention to get a tuk-tuk ride. You have also a massage parlors here. Normally you have pigeons. They're even quite fat here. Normally they are not as fat in Bangkok as in like in London. Here somebody's doing some tum. The ingredient for the famous Thai salad. Here's a lot of massage and massage parlors. As you can see, if you're looking for a massage, you probably want to have a happy ending. There is a thing called rolling rips, and here we also have the Meridian Hotel, which I can't show you before because basically the bus was in front of it. But it has a nice doggy, and it seems to be a nice place to stay. So I think for today and for this Bangkok street walk, that should be enough. So as always, I wish you a good day. The next few days you will get more impressions from upcountry again. So if you like it and you like to see more, just let me know what you want to see, and I'm happy to accommodate it and to give you some more views of Bangkok, what you like to see. Just leave it in the comments, and as always, you can support us. Just hit the subscribe button, just hit the like button, and we are very happy about it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.